My competition between Stablefund and Optimus is coming to an end because, of course, we know what happened to Stablefund. In this video, we're going to take a look at the last updates on this one, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric here and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day and are doing well. Today we're taking a look at my $200 competition between Optimus and Stablefund. Unfortunately, Stablefund, we all know what happened to it. It absolutely sucks. They are going to a V2 version. I personally am not transferring my refund to V2. I'm just simply going to cash out of that and put my money elsewhere. Now, I hope V2 works out for everybody that's going into V2, and I hope it does pay out what they are saying it's going to pay out. But for me, I'm just taking that money away and running as far as I can. But if we just take a look at this competition, it is going to be the last video comparing Optimus to Stablefund, because Stablefund is just not going to be a part of my portfolio anymore. But looking at Stablefund, we obviously saw around the 24th of October, everything went to absolute hell, and it's not been back since there. So that's basically what it is. Your funds are locked up in there, and if you go on to Stablefund, you still see your rewards going up, but you can't claim anything and you can't take out your money. But at least they are paying people back their initial investment. I know some people are still going to be losing money on some compounds. They are still looking into everything, and they are supposed to be starting this process tomorrow. So again, I know some of you are probably invested in Stablefund. Just be patient, and hopefully tomorrow we can get more information as to what is going to happen. Now, if we take a look at my previous video on this competition, this was 10 days ago on October 20th, and we can see that my OPT3 value was around $278. I had about 181 tokens, and if we take a look at the update today, if we remove this and we take a look at how many tokens I now have, I have 200 tokens for OPT3. The price is sitting around $1.54. It has been in this range for a very long time now, which is awesome, and that is currently worth $308. So at the beginning of this experiment, I put $200 in both of these projects. As we can see right now, Optimus is clearly still the winner. It's still going, and I've made about $108. No, I haven't claimed anything yet, so I can't call these profits, but the value of that investment has gone up by about $108. So if we go on to my Optimus dashboard, as you guys know, if you've been following the series, I actually put in $450 of my own money into Optimus. Right now, that is worth $634, but we had been tracking the initial deposit I had made on Optimus, which was $200. So that was basically this comparison to Stablefund. We're going to scrap everything here. I may actually compare Optimus to another project that I am potentially investing in the short term here. We may track and compete different projects between each other just to make it a bit more entertaining here, because I know you guys like to see the process and the progress of each of these investments, because like Optimus is doing right now, it's doing its thing, staying in the right range around $1.55 to $1.52, and it has been profitable for me. Now, one thing I want to note, and I want to really stress this, is that Optimus is still inflationary right now. What I do like to do on a daily basis is I go onto Dex Screener, I put in the OPT3 token in there, and then I go to the contract address on Polygon Scan. If you guys remember, they started with 21 million OPT3 tokens. This is an inflationary project, so right now we are at 38.1 million OPT3 tokens. So that basically means that 17.1 million tokens have been minted ever since this project started. So almost a full 100% has been printed. What does that mean? Is that it means there's even more tokens in circulation now. People have a bigger bag, and who knows when people are going to start taking profits. So be aware of that. We know they have bots in place that buy the dip. Not too sure how much money these bots have in order to buy the dip, But so far so good. But I just want to stress that when people and if people take huge amounts of Optimus out, well, who knows what's gonna happen and how long these bots are gonna be able to keep the price of Optimus in that specific range. Now, I'm not trying to FUD anything, I'm being realistic here. People were saying Stablefund was going to last forever. It had been running for 6 months, and they basically still had $60 million in this BUSD contract, and they shut everything down. So anything is possible, and even though you are invested, don't get in love with your investment. Understand that anything can happen, and that's the 2 cents I want to share with you today. Now, something else I like doing on Optimus every now and then is I go to the holders tab and I check out DeFi Dude's wallet here. It's the one that ends in 15. I check out what's happening here. What is he doing? He's sending some to MXC, wrapping it there. Not too sure if he's cashing it out there. He's also doing a few swaps, and I'm just monitoring his wallet because he is basically the founder of this project. If he starts taking out 50,000 OPT3 every single day, well, that may raise some red flags in my books. Not too sure what you guys think about it, but it's another way to keep tabs on what's happening with this project. Now, of course, he is also getting 1% daily in OPT3 tokens. It does seem like every day he is cashing out or sending it to another wallet or doing something with the rebases he's getting. His wallet has been sitting around the same amount of OPT3 for quite some time now, so just be aware of that. Some profits are probably being taken because he has a crazy amount of money in there, and as well as some money is circulating around his wallet. So that's something I like to check. Again, I'm not saying that what he's doing is wrong. Obviously, if I had the same amount of money invested in a project, I would want to take profits at one point, and he's probably invested more money than he's taken out. But again, just something I like to check on every single day. So I think it's safe to conclude that Optimus has won this competition between Stablefund. It's super unfortunate to see everything that has happened to Stablefund. I hope you guys get some of your money back, if not all of it. And if you decide to roll the dice on V2, well, I wish you luck with that. And again, nothing is guaranteed in crypto. So even if Optimus is doing great, who knows what's going to happen in a month, in a week, in a day from now. Everything is unknown. So just be aware to invest money that you are able to lose, and that if you do end up losing, you're not going to be in the streets begging for money. So that is the #1 lesson of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.